Now, in no way am I as cool and stylish as Coco Chanel, but when she said less is more, I think she was really making sense, and I really think it's valid in the world of events. Because in a world that is really just buzzing with so much information and activity, the success of an event hinges on its ability to engage and to captivate attendees. And there is a growing realization that less can indeed be more. How? Well, simplicity now stands out. If we streamline content and we focus on key messages, it makes information actually more digestible and more memorable. If we cut out the unnecessary jargon and all the overwhelming details, it feels more accessible, more enjoyable. And actually, we can get more information, we can better absorb it and engage it in a more meaningful way when the content is given to us in a straightforward and easy to understand way. Now, you can add to that simplicity by thinking about how long sessions are. Attention spans of human beings are not that long, and when we go to lengthy, uninterrupted sessions, we kind of are quickly cognitively overloaded. And that actually leads to diminished engagement. So if we make sessions simpler and shorter, kind of dropping them down to say 20 to 30 minutes, it gives us the chance to, like a burst of concentrated information that is easier to absorb. And this format is actually also hopefully encouraging speakers to present their most valuable insights concisely. I think that events are like marathons, not sprints. So if we put well-considered breaks into the schedule, it will allow us to recharge both mentally and physically. And we can then use these breaks for reflection and digestion of what we've just learnt, as well, of course, of digestion of the other kind, food, refreshments, which we also need to help us engage. And we can also use this time to really connect with other people at the events and discuss what we've learned. Now, I know for organisers, it can feel really scary not packing the agenda and then consciously leaving some sort of parts of your event actually free of things, of events, of sessions. But it actually will increase the engagement if your attendees are not overwhelmed by information overload. And actually, these principles are even more crucial. I think we know that for virtual events, because online fatigue is just as real. And of course, there the challenge is we've got to keep attendees engaged despite distractions at literally our fingertips. I mean, here's my phone, here's my computer, here's my email. So again, simplifying the content, giving us shorter sessions can really prevent that information fatigue. And it also means that the breaks will give us a chance to actually stretch, rest our eyes and refocus. So we need to be creating event environments with breaks, shorter sessions, and where attendees are more likely to absorb, engage and connect. Think of it like a strategic shift to actually optimizing the event experience for a generation that actually is really accustomed to quick information bites and constant stimulation. Sometimes taking things away and simplifying them can actually lead to an event that is truly transformative.